everyone, happy Mother's Day. So for today, since it's my day, it's Mother's Day. So our kids agree, Kai and Kalik here, Shernice, my Baneneng and my Banonong, to play this very special game for mommy. Who's who? So daddy at the brown will read the question. Okay, no crying, okay? It's just for fun. Ready?
Okay, ready? First question. Who always say wait when he has to do something? Second question. Who wakes up late? Third. Who fart more? Fourth. Who always shop a lot? Fifth. Who save money more?
Yeah.
Six. Who is more sweet?
Okay.
Seven. Who say I love you more?
Kuya. Banana. Okay.
Eight. Who always cry?
Sorry, Kuya.
Nine. Who makes money laugh a lot? Mommy
Kuya.
laughs. 10. Who is good in household chores?
Banana.
11. Who is lazy to take bath? Sometimes.
Sometimes. Sorry, Banana. Thank you. Happy Mother's Day.